Grade 4, Module 3, Lesson 1, Homework, page 2. Give the rectangle's area. Find the unknown side length. Letter A. This problem is a little bit different. It gives us that the length is 6 centimeters, the area is 6 square centimeters, and the width is unknown. They're calling it X centimeters. So we need to try to figure out what that width, what that X value is. So we're going to start by writing down the information that we know. We know that area equals length times width. And the problem gives us that the area is 6, the length is 6, and the unknown width, they're giving it to us as X. So let's work out this math and see what we know. They gave us the length, so let's go ahead and plug that in. The length is 6. So we know 6 equals 6 times what value? Times 1. 6 equals 6 times 1, so X must equal 1. X equals 1. Problem number 5. Given the rectangle's perimeter, find the unknown side length. Perimeter is 180 centimeters, the length is 40 centimeters, and the width is X centimeters. We're going to do this the same way that we just did the area problem. I'm going to use the second formula from page 1 of this homework that says perimeter equals 2 length plus 2 times W. 2 times length plus 2 times W. I'm going to fill in the information that we know. We know that the perimeter is 180. So we'll let P be 180 centimeters. We know that the length is 40 centimeters times 2 times the width. I don't know the width. In fact, they're giving us the width to be X. So let's go ahead and clean up this problem and see what we know. We know that 180 equals 2 times 40, which is 80, plus 2 times X. I'm going to ask myself, 180 equals 80 plus what value? Well, plus 100. I know 180 equals 80 plus 100, but we have 2X that has to equal 100. So what number times 2 equals 100? 50 times 2 equals 100. So X must be 50. Let's go back and just double check that really quick. If you put a 50 in for X, and we're going to multiply 2 times 50, do we get 100? Yes. 80 plus 100 would give me 180. So X equals 50. Problem number 6. Each of the following rectangles has whole number side lengths. Given the area and perimeter, find the length and the width. Letter A. Area equals 32 square centimeters. Perimeter equals 24 centimeters. We do not know the length and we do not know the width. So I'm going to take a piece of information that I actually know. I'm going to do it off to the side here. Area equals length times width. And I also know that the area equals 32. So I'm going to make a little chart of values and see what equals 32. So let's start small. 1, let's do length times width. 1 times 32 is 32. 2 times 16 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. And those are the only values that are going to multiply out to be 32. So I'm going to take those pieces of information, I'm going to plug them into a perimeter formula and see which length and width will give me 24 for perimeter. So I'm going to use the perimeter formula from page 1, the third formula, where perimeter equals double your length plus width. So I'm first going to check 1 and 32. Perimeter equals 2 times 1 plus 32. Let's check and see this out. I know that the perimeter has to equal 24 because that's what the information gave us. Does that equal 2 times 33? No, that gives us 66. So that problem does not work. I'm going to check the second piece of information. Does 24 equal 2 times 2 times 16. I'm sorry, 2 plus 16. 2 plus 16 makes 32, so now I'm looking at a problem that says 2 times 32, and we're seeing if that equals 24. No. I think I've done something wrong. Let's go back and fix this. I need to add my length and width. My length and width added together is 18. There we go. That looks better. 2 times 18 is 36. Does that equal 24? No, that does not equal 24, so that one does not work. So let's check our last set of information and say, does 24 equal 2 times 4 plus 8? 4 plus 8 equals 12. 2 times 12 equals 24. There it is. 24 equals 24. So our length and our width are 4 and 8. When I look back at my picture, it looks like my length is longer than my width. So I think I'll let my length be 8 and my width be 4.